Hello everyone, welcome to Next-Gen AI Academy. In this video, we will continue the remaining string methods. We are completed till the index of method. Now we will see the remaining methods. In addition to that, we will also learn how to handle the special characters in the string. The next method, contains method. This contains method will return true if the string contains the specific characters. This is also the most used method in the automation for text validation. Let's try to implement it. The course ID variable name dot contains, in the string I want to check whether this particular number is exist or not. If this is exist or if it contains, then we will get output as true. Equals means when both of them are equal you will get true. Contains means in real time scenario we may have a very big paragraph, in that you want to verify only specific character, you can use contains method. If I mention some other number, it is false because the last letter is 4 here, the last letter is 9. Let me make it as positive scenario, it is true. The next method is substring method. It will return a part of a string. What that mean? From this string I want to extract only this 16-digit number. How to do it? Which can be easily done with the help of substring method. Variable name card details dot substring, and you can see substring starting index, begin index. Begin index means from which index it should start retrieve it, and if you count 22 is the index of number 1. From 22 it should extract all the value. That is the meaning of substring 22. If you have a doubt, you just start count from 0 to till this, or you can use character at method to find the index of this particular position. So after execution you can see here it retrieved the 16-digit credit card number. So it's like whenever you get a successful message or some transaction ID in the web pages, if you want to retrieve and extract the accurate value, you can use the substring method. Same example, let me increase the complexity. Okay, you have a string test to this particular credit card number. When we execute, the problem here is from 22 till the last character it retrieved it. But I don't want this test, I want only the 16-digit number. That is also possible using substring credit card details dot substring 22 starting index, then index of number 4 is 40. When I execute, but still 4 is not coming. Why? Here one important concept to remember. When we mention 40, we are not getting this 4 even though the index of 4 is 40. Why so? Always remember this is the starting index. While mentioning about the end index, it will take always end index minus 1, n minus 1. It means while retrieving 40 minus 1 means 39. That's why till 5 it took the value. Always remember end index minus 1, it will take the value. Same example, if we mention 41, which is T, and execute, now we got the expected output, the credit card number from here till this. The next method is replace method. From the name itself You got an idea, I think so. It will replace all the old character by the new character, like how we replace in the document. Same way here. We have a string, welcome to SBI Bank. I want to change this SBI to HDFC. That can be easily done with the help of replacement method. So variable name dot replace. What to replace? We have to replace SBI by HDFC. So that now when we execute, you can see welcome to HDFC Bank, but the input is SBI Bank. In this example, I took word. Even you can replace the character also. Just mention single quote. Now we will learn how to handle these special characters. For example, you have a string welcome to Java online class. Now you want to print this by mentioning Java online class within the double quotes. But if you mention double quotes like this, then we will be getting the error. How to handle this? It's very simple. You have to include the backslash in front of this special character. Then backslash. Java will consider this double quote as a special character instead of thinking it as a string input value. Let's try to print it out now. So when we run this, you can see welcome to Java online class within the double quotes. Whenever we face any issue while including the special characters within the double quotes, then you can add the backward slash in front of the special character. Still, split method needs to be completed. That we will learn after knowing about the Java array concepts. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.